is Grishma. So in a few hours, it's my cat Chubby's very first birthday and I'm super excited for it. We're gonna throw out a little party when the clock strikes 12. So I thought to vlog the situation as it's a very exciting day. So I've already decorated this wall. It looks pretty basic, but it's a cat's birthday. It's fine for that. And I've got more decorations down here and here. So we're gonna put this on the wall, and there's Chubby. Hi Chubby! It's your birthday, do you know that? It's your birthday, baby. The birthday girl itself is here for help. Hui. Looking so far, but I think the lights are missing, so I'm gonna quickly add those in. So this is how the wall is looking right now. It's looking pretty good with the lights on, and I'm gonna add the table right over here to cut the cake. And there's Chubby, who is busy in her own world. Going to be the cake. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna flip it over to the plate. So I made Chubby wear this little hat and she's looking so cute. We took some pictures and there she goes. Chubby, wait. Nope. So my parents have gone for a wedding and they'll be here anytime. And after that, we're gonna start the cake cutting session. Human cake, cat cake. Human cake, cat cake.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.